warning for South Central Montgomery County in southeastern Texas.
Okay, that's not us.
Central Harris County in southeastern Texas until 12:15 p.m. Central Standard Time. 11:28 a.m. Central Standard Time. A severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado is located near Hooks Airport or near Tomball, moving northeast at 25 miles per hour. The storm has a history of producing a tornado. Hazard, tornado. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed.
I'm trying to catch an EAS on TV right now, but it's
And
not
vehicles
happening.
will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Spring, the Woodlands, Oak Ridge North, Hurricane Harbor Splashtown, the Woodlands Pavilion, and Hooks Airport around 11:35 a.m. Central Standard Time.
Alright, that's not us. I was literally telling us.
Around 11:40 a.m. Central Standard Time. Woodloke and Porter Heights around 11:50 a.m. Central Standard Time. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. The National Weather Service.
Alright, I'm ready for this one to go off. Come on, I know you can do it.